In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CMS Collection Webflow. We'll start inside your Webflow project and work through optimizing CMS assets, reviewing collection settings, and creating a new collection, all within the designer. First, open your site in the Webflow designer. On the left sidebar, open the CMS panel. This is where your collections, fields, and content live. From here, look for the option to compress assets. This tool helps reduce file sizes across your CMS collections, improving load times without changing your content structure. When the compression prompt appears, read the message carefully. Webflow will create a site backup automatically before it starts, and you'll be able to keep working while the process runs in the background. Choose WebP as your target format for images. WebP typically gives you excellent compression and quality, which is great for performance. Then confirm your choices by clicking the highlighted button to begin the compression. Once that kicks off, refresh the designer to see the most up-to-date status. After refreshing, head to your collection templates. This opens the template page used to design how each item in a collection will display. From there, open the collection settings so you can review the structure and presentation of your content. Inside settings, look at the collection URL. This is the slug that forms the path for your collection pages, so make sure it's short, descriptive, and consistent with your site's naming. Next, check collection fields to see what data your items can store, like titles, images, or rich text. Under Basic Info, you'll find the core details for the collection. If you need more structure, click Add Field. Give the new field a clear name so collaborators immediately understand its purpose. Confirm your choices using the highlighted buttons to save the field, then save the collection settings. If you return to the Items view and see No Items, that simply means you haven't added content yet. Your collection is set up and ready. Now switch to the e-commerce area. This is helpful if your site uses product data or needs a dedicated e-commerce collection. Follow the highlighted prompts to reach the collections section in e-commerce. Finally, click Create a Collection. This starts a guided flow where you define the collection type, fields, and structure, consistent with the best practices you just reviewed.